Hey YouTube! After years of waiting, Amazon has finally enabled Netflix to work on some Echo Show devices, including the second generation Echo Show, Echo Show 5 and Echo Show 8. In this video, I will show you how simple it is to use Netflix on your Echo Show device. I've changed the wake word to computer so I don't trick your device by mistake during the video. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel where you can find many more guides on using your smart home devices. There are two ways of launching Netflix. You can either swipe from the right hand side of the screen, press video, followed by Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
Or you can ask, for example, computer, open Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
Once signed in, the interface is very familiar to anyone who's used Netflix before. The app has only recently been launched, and I have found that commands are not currently working when trying to play something. For example, computer, play Stranger Things on Netflix.
Getting Stranger Things from Netflix.
As you can see, it's not working. However, the touch controls are working just fine. I will revisit this video in a couple of weeks once this has been updated. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please make sure you give it a thumbs up as it really helps the channel. I would love to know what your favourite programme is at the moment in the comments below. I am really enjoying The Queen's Gambit. Thanks for watching. Bye.